Dear financial management students, I am Abeel Ahmed, financial management expert. In today's concept building video, we'll be discussing a question. And this question, as usual, we have taken from the study hub. So let's dive into the question. Come on. What is Excalibur expected level of sales? Whenever the question says expected level of sales, expected selling price, expected variable cost, then simply your examiner will give you the information of probabilities. Okay, let's read the question. Excalibur, okay, company has developed a model to predict, wow, sales level for its beachwear based on long range weather forecast. Okay, the probabilities of various temperature and related sales units are as follows. We've got sales units 10,000 if the temperature is below 20. And what is the probability? That temperature is going to be below 20 and you will be selling 10,000 units. The probability is 5%. Simply 10,000 multiplied by 5%. 10,000 multiplied by 5%. Students, I'm getting 500. If the temperature is between 20 to 24, you will be able to sell 30,000 units and probability is 25. So 30,000 units into 25, I'm getting 7,500. When the temperature is between 24 to 28, you will be able to sell 50,000 units. And what is the probability? Probability is 50%. 50,000 into 50%, I'm getting, students, 2,500. Okay. If the temperature is 28 to 32, then there's an expectation you will be selling 40,000 units and the probability of all this is 15%. So 40,000 into 15%, I'm getting 6,000. And the last one is 25 into 5%. Wow, wow, wow. It looks very easy. So 1250. Let's add all of them. You will get expected level of sales. 500 plus 7,500 plus 25,000 plus 6,000 plus 1250. Students, I'm getting 40250. So simply expected level of sale is 40,250 units. Let's see the choice. Yes. The answer is B. Okay. And students, let's see what study people have done. They have also calculated the same result. Okay. And FM students, don't forget one thing, that Abeel School of Accountancy is having the honor of producing world top in FM and world top in AFM, and we have produced a world top in taxation as well. Once you get enrolled at our college, okay, in day one, we'll give you the study planner. All you need is just follow the study planner, and if you follow the study planner properly, then getting 50 marks, they become extremely easy for you. All you need is enroll at our college and follow the study planner. Plus, we provide the best and world fastest WhatsApp support to our all enrolled students. We resolve your queries within 3 to 5 minutes. And at our college, what happens? Your queries are resolved by the tutor. We do not keep any teacher assistant. We do not even reply automatic messages to you like there's a long queue and number of students, they're asking the question and your number will come after 2 to 3 hours. No, 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 no. You get replied within 3 to 5 minutes. Your queries, they get resolved just within 3 to 5 minutes. An entire FM course you can watch complete just within 50 hours. Our each lecture is on average, it is 40 to 45 minutes long, not longer than that. So student, all you need is, and plus we'll give you 2 types of notes, detailed notes, as well as you will be getting the short notes as well. So all you need is just get yourself enrolled at Abeel School of Accountancy, and at the end of the day, then getting 50 marks, it becomes a fun activity for you. Thank you very, very much. Thank you for watching this concept building video.